wonder what Lida's doing.
I want to see a picture of Dark. Dark. Oh, that's fine.
Light.
Why?
I'm bored.
Go play with your little dolls or something.
I can't though. Mizaki has them.
I am almighty. You're not almighty. I'm the most awesome superhero outfit. Yeah, Mom, tell us to bam! You should have decent. This isn't what it looks like.
Are you wearing Lisa's shoes and her dress?
No, I'm not. It's not what it looks like. These aren't mine. These are, I'm holding them for a friend.
Lisa?
No, Mickey.
Okay.
Oh, sure. So I'm gonna go do some research now. Just
Bye,
don't mind me.
Elle.
My life is over!
I've got all of my dolls, so we need to find something to do. And I've been thinking,
Well, it's come to an end.
that we can see how tall I can make my books if we stack them.
That should be fun to see. And push them all over at the end.
No! Yay, let's do it!
Let's begin. I guess smart ass remarks. What the smart ass remarks supposed to be? I don't know. You can do it. I'll think of something, Lisa.
No, you gotta stack them right, like this. You gotta make them perfect. No, not like that. You gotta do it like this. You gotta take good care with them. See, like that.
Well then.
Wait, hold on. Okay.
I'm gonna go to disturbance. Dark. I don't see Dark.
Why do you care about dark?
Because Dark is awesome.
This person looks really familiar.
I cannot quite put my finger on this. Who do
you think it is? Doesn't he look familiar?
You.
No!
Smack him a little bit like forward. Okay.
Yay, this is so much fun, Light.
Okay, sure. Let's go with that, Lisa.
What are you applying?
I've been playing that well. Since you became the second kid, technically.
What? You knocked them all down!
What?
This is all your fault!
Yeah. What did I do?
I'm gonna go play with Elle.
So. Wait, but Elle has. You're blushing.
Ow!
What, Lisa?
Like being mean to me.
What did he do this time?
He knocked down all my books.
I'm sorry, that's so sad.
So I'm not playing with him no more. That means you get to be my new playmate. Let's have a tea party.
Get it. Save me, Dad.
This is perfect. I haven't had company over in forever.
Oh, really? I would wonder why.
Exactly. That's what I said when my last person left. But they had an unfortunate accident. They got hit by a car.
Ow.
Drink your tea. There we go.
Is there really a real reason for me to be wearing a maid's outfit?
Oh, it's the perfect outfit. It looks great on you, just like you did in that picture I saw.
What picture?
I got a picture of you in a maid's outfit. Only it was a lot shorter of a skirt.
That,
That was my twin cousin.
You have a twin cousin?
Yeah.
Oh, can I meet him?
Sure.
Yay!
He's out of continent right now.
I wonder if Lightsaber met him. I wonder if Twilight had that picture.
Joey. What was that? Nothing. Just a cough.
Do you have a hairball? It's okay. Where do you think you're going?
To the little kiddo's room. Light's room. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for the TV, so bye.
They'll be back. They always come back.